Hello everyone, we would like to invite you to a virtual tour of visiting Turtle Santuaries in Malaysia. In this video, we will visit Turtle Management and Information Center at Padang Kemuting, Pangkalan Bala in Melaka, Pulau Salang, Talang Turtle Sanctuary in Sarawak, Bawang Jamal Turtle Sanctuary at Kudat in Sabah, and lastly, the Turtle Sanctuary and Information Center at Cerating in Pahang. But before I begin, I would like to give some introduction. Turtle Sanctuary is a conservation center that was set up by the government to research and protect the four main species of turtle that nest in Malaysia. The four species are the olive ridley, leatherback, green, and hawksbill turtle. The Turtle Sanctuary has a few initiatives aimed at conserving the turtle population, including educating the public about these gentle creatures and acting as a hatchery for the eggs.
Hi, this is Turtle Conservation and Information Center, Padang Mulaka. This center serves as a nesting and hatching site for hawksbill turtles as well as an information center. This center started operating in the year 1990s, managed by the law enforcing agency of the state, Melaka Fisheries Department. Turtle eggs are regulated under Melaka Fisheries Turtle and Turtle Eggs Rules 1989, where only an egg-based collector may move or take eggs. Visitors are able to obtain general information on turtles in Malaysia as well as on turtle landings in the sanctuary. The entrance to this center is free. In the turtle exhibition pond, visitors will be able to get a closer view of live hawksbill turtles. The hatchery center can accommodate 300 to 600 turtles in one egg season. Hatched turtles are then released to the sea and will return to the birth coast when mature.
Well, the turtle sanctuary that we're located right now is Pulau Talang-Talang Besar in Sarawak. This island is one of the islands included in the Talang Satang National Park and is served as the main turtle conservation center of the park. Unlike those turtle sanctuaries in Peninsular Malaysia, the turtle sanctuaries in Sarawak are administered by Sarawak Forestry Corporation. The two old colonial homes in front of you are the Turtle Conservation Office and also home to the Sarawak Forestry officials and visitors.
Okay, here they also provide a place for visitors that's staying for a night. The room seems simple but comfortable to stay. Here is the office where all the briefing about this place and the duties to be conducted and told by the wardens.
Here you can see in the description box regarding the law enforcement agency and environmental laws adopted to protect the sea turtles. These are the state legislation enacted by the state government. This program takes 4 days of participation. Volunteers will work with professional conservationists, learning about turtles and taking part in conservation activities, such as monitoring of nesting activities, transferring eggs to the hatchery, releasing hatchling, and so on.
These turtle sanctuary are usually served for green and hawksbill turtle. Over 90% of turtle landings here are from green turtle. This sanctuary is important for turtle conservation site and it's part of Talang Satang National Park. The common activities for turtle conservation at the sanctuary: tagging the adult turtle and relocating eggs to the hatcheries.
Okay, good morning and welcome to the Bawang Jamal Turtle Hatchery. The Bawang Jamal Hatchery was established in the year 2011 together with the Kudat Turtle Conservation Society both of them work together with the local community-based organizations in mainstreaming turtle conservation-related events and activities in Kudat. So, the Kudat Turtle Conservation Society, or known as KTCS, however, needs to abide under the Law Enforcement of Fisheries Act 1985, Sections 27, 37, 38, and 43. In other words, operating under the supervision of the Department of Fisheries Sabah and the Sabah Parks. Okay, this next picture shows the entrance to the Bawang Jamal Turtle Hatchery, and a little bit more about the hatchery and the KTCS is that they invest efforts to conserve and improve Kudat sea turtle populations, especially in the Tun Mustafa Park, through public education and awareness programs. So after having 9 years since the establishment, they have supported the management of natural resources in the Tun Mustafa Park that is being led and supervised by Sabah Parks. Okay, this picture shows one of the many turtle nesting sites that are being covered, or nets are being raised surrounding the turtle nest once the mother turtle leaves back to sea. So the nets function as a mark for the nest for easy location, and as well as to keep other predators from digging into the nest to feast on the eggs. Next, this structure, as you can see, is being built. These are actually the existing huts that are being built to provide temporary shelter for watchkeepers that watch over the turtle nest, as well as the ongoing nesting activities.
There is an education center nearby, managed and handled by the KTCS. The KTCS is founded by Roland Agansai and Francesca Winfield in 2011. Regarding the education delivery, participants will be given knowledge about how they keep and take care of the turtles there, and the facilitators will explain how they can help to conserve and sustain the future of turtles.
The Cherating Turtle Sanctuary started out as a turtle hatchery which was established by the Department of Fisheries in 1972 in order to protect endangered turtles when they land on shore to lay their eggs. In 1997, a full-fledged center was built on their site in order to make the turtle protection work more systematic and efficient. And between April and August every year, workers or staff from the center collect the turtle eggs that are laid on the beach so that they can be nurtured and hatched in a protected environment. So right now we're in the turtle feeding area where turtles which are not able to live in the sea anymore, they are kept here and they are used for public education by the staff, where the public can get a hands-on experience and see turtles up close, and they are also able to feed these turtles with the help of the staff in the sanctuary. This is the turtle research room where the staff of the sanctuary conducts research on turtles as well as keep newly hatched turtle hatchlings in order to prepare them before releasing them into the sea. And last but not least, here we are in the turtle information room, and this room is filled with fun facts regarding the sea turtles of Malaysia. For example, their migratory patterns, how deep their nests are, and how many eggs that they're able to lay in one go. In conclusion, the establishment of these hatcheries is in line with the ethical principle of sufficiency and compassion, where each and every living being in the world is entitled to live on and flourish, and it is our moral obligation as humans to act so that these endangered animals are preserved for the future. That is all from our group. Thank you very much.